Listen students, now we are going to see chapter 4. Some important questions and important points in chapter 4. Okay students, here in this chapter you can see two important equation. What is that? Coordinate equation and linear equation. Students, listen, first of all you have to know what is linear equation, what is quadratic equation, what is linear equation and what is quadratic equation. Students, listen, linear equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, then quadratic equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay students, listen once again. I recall it. Linear equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay students, so the form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then the form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Students, listen, if any equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you can find factors for them. Okay, factors for that. Later I will explain this. Okay students, listen, take linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to linear equation. What is the form of linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay students, now listen, for example in your page number 70 exercise 4.2, okay, write for second question, write 4 solution for each of the following equations. And here I have take third subdivision, x is equal to 4y. Okay, question is write any solution, write 2 solution or 3 solution, for example take 2 solution, write 2 solution for each for the given equation. For this given equation, write any 2 solution. Students, listen, for that you have to take any points for x and y, but it should be equal, both sides it should be equal. Okay, for example take x is equal to 4, y equal to 1. Put in the equation that x is equal to 4, that is equal to 4, y equal to 1. So it will 4 is equal to 4. If both sides are equal, then 4, 1 is 1 point. One solution. 4, 1 point is one solution of this given equation. Okay students, and take some more. Take x is equal to 8, y equal to 2. So here 8, 4, 2. So 8, that is equal to 8. So we can say 8, 2. This is another solution. Okay students, for this question you have to do like this. Okay, then one more question. Find the value of, fourth question, find the value of if x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Okay, then find the value of k. Students, listen, once again I repeat the question. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Okay, here how can you do? Yes, simply you just put the x point and y point in this equation. So 2 plus x is 2 plus 3y is 1, that is equal to k. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3, that is equal to k. So k is equal to 7. Is it clear students? Students, listen, next for example if one question is there, draw the graph. Example, take x is equal to y. Okay, draw the graph of this given equation. Okay students, listen, for this you just x, y, you have to put x is equal to 0, then if x is equal to 0 then y equal to 0. Okay, if x is equal to 1 then y is also equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, then y is also equal to 2. Okay, so what are the points? 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. You can use these points. Using these points you can draw the graph. Okay, 1, 2, here 1, 2. So this is 1, 1, this point. Okay, and this point. So is it clear, students? Good. Next, students, listen, see this question. Find the coordinates of equation. Take this equation, same. Okay, 2x plus 3y, put 5. Okay, so this is given equation. If x is equal to 1, or y equal to 2. Okay, so students, listen the question first. Find the coordinates of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5 if x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Students, listen, first you have to find the coordinates. You have to find the coordinates for this equation. Okay, so put x is equal to 1 here, then 2, 1 plus 3y, that is equal to 5. Then 2 plus 3y equal to 5. 3y equal to 5 minus 2. 3y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 by 3. So y equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then y equal to 1. So this is one solution, 1 point. Okay, then y equal to 2. So you have to put 2x plus 3, 2, that is equal to 5. 2x plus 6, that is equal to 5. 2x equal to 5 minus 6. 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if x is equal to minus 1 by 2, then y equal to 2. So 1, 1 and minus 1 by 2, 2. These are solution of the given equation when x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Is it clear, students? Then students, listen, these are very important statements. That is, dash is the equation of the y-axis. What is the equation of y-axis? What is the equation of y-axis? Very good. X is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Equation of x-axis, that is y equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0 is equation of y-axis. Y equal to 0 is equation of x-axis. Is it clear, students? Good. Then one more thing. The graph of dash is a straight line parallel to the y-axis. The graph of dash is a straight line parallel to the y-axis, that is x is equal to a. Similarly, the graph of dash is a straight line parallel to the x-axis, that is y equal to a. These equations, these important points are in your book. Okay, at last summary, at last page you have summary in your page, so you have to go through all. Is it clear, students? Then one more question, students, listen. For example, if take any solution, okay, 2x plus y equal to 0. Take this solution. Okay, I have given x is equal to 1, y equal to 2 also 2, y equal to minus 2. Okay, so x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 2. Now I ask you a question. If x is equal to 1, y equal to 2 is the solution of the linear this equation, you can you check it? You have to check it. How do you check it? Listen, once again I repeat the question. X is equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. Check. These are solution. Is this solution of the given linear equation? You can check it. You have to check it. How do you check? Students, listen. Just put the value. Okay, x is equal to 1 plus y equal to minus 2. That is equal to 0. 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. If both, this is 0, this is also 0. If both sides are equal, students, listen, right hand side and left hand side, if both sides are equal, then these points, okay, these points are one of the solution of the given equation. One of the solution of the given equation. Is it clear, students? Then one more type of question, students, listen. If a line, so you can check it. You have to check. Take 4, 3. Take 4, 3. Okay. Question is, give the equation of the line passing through this point. Give a equation of a line passing through this point. Okay, so students listen. Some equation is, for example, 4,3 na. I just try it. Okay, then that is equal to 0. Minus 3. So this is x, this is y. Okay, so 2y. Listen students, here the point x minus 4, y 8. Okay, so equation is 4x plus 2y equal to 0. Students listen, once again I repeat the question. Okay, give an equation of a line passing through this point, minus 4 comma 8. Okay, so some options are there. You have to take all equation and you just put the values of x and y. If both sides are equal, that means right hand side is equal to left hand side, then that is one of the solution. Okay students, so here there are 4 options are there. MCQ question type hai na. So you have to take this point and put in the equations, every equations, check it. So for take 4 minus 4 comma 8 hai na. So 4x minus 4 plus 2y8, that is equal to 0. 4 4s are minus 16, 2 8s are 16, that is equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0. If both sides are equal, then this is one of the solution of this equation. Is it clear, students? Then we can say this point, this equation of line is passing through this point. Is it clear, students? Good. Okay students, these type of questions are very important question in chapter 4 students. Okay students, I hope you understand it. Students listen, after next Monday, 24th Monday, you have maths exam. So before Saturday or Sunday, I will give another I will take another online classes. Okay, online class. Okay students, thank you.